Hello everyone and welcome to a new video update for Bitcoin price prediction for the micro analysis and the intraday. What happened today is opening a new scenarios here and much clearer pattern for what is going on in this area here. And what I want to share with you guys is that we were looking here for a 1, and that was still very soon and early to look for a 1 here. If you remember on my deep analysis 3 days ago, I mentioned a pattern for a wave 5, that it might range so much to get a wave 2, then 3, 4, and 5 for a wave 5 for the impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this wave 1 of that wave might take a longer time, and that because if we look at the wave 1 of this impulse, look how much time it took to form each wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forming a wave 1, right? So why we want to finish or start with a wave 1, 2 directly and moving up so fast? So it's not logic, right? Therefore, what is going on the 1 hour chart is we still have unfinished wave 1 actually. So rather than having a wave 1 here, our wave 1 has moved to this side, right? And what we can count here, because this is very weird, and it was like weird even for an impulse, and it looks like not great impulse here, right? So therefore what I'm thinking here is a 1, 2, and 3, then 4 and 5. We are still looking for a 5 hitting this fib level taken from the 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, right? The wave 3 is a diagonal, contracting diagonal here as wave 3. Then we're gonna have one more down as a wave 4, and then wave 5 hitting almost 64,500. And this would finish actually a wave 1 as 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then after this, we want to look for 3 waves down, hitting the green box again of a wave 2 between the 0.618 and 0.78 for 52,500 and 55,000. And in this way, our scenario, right, the scenario that the pattern that we have created as a wave 2 might be logic and might be compatible with a wave 1 of this big main impulse, right? So this is exactly what's happening, guys, and that's why we are still seeing very slow ranges here, right? And because it needs time, the wave 1 and 2 needs this amount of time to form a bigger wave 5 for that impulse, and this is very normal what we are seeing. But now the pattern is much more clear. This is the good thing, that we are seeing a clearer pattern for this range here, right? We are seeing a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we are looking for a wave 2 later on. So our target now might be to 64,500. And mention that it's not gonna be very, very impulsive. As you can see, it's going very slowly, ranging as diagonal. We're going down again for a wave 4 and then a wave 5 again, right? So these are the things, guys. And of course, then the wave here, the wave 5, it might end also as diagonal, all of it, okay, after reaching this. So we're gonna see how this will unfold. And yeah, I'm saying that it's not gonna be very impulsive because there are pressure of selling still, okay, guys? And that's why I mentioned always my indicator here on the 4 hour chart, that we are getting even a new bearish signal, right? And this is a signal for a wave 4 of the diagonal that I mentioned. Always I combine my indicator with Elliott Wave, okay? It's not just I looking at this indicator and yeah, say it's bearish or not, because as I said, the indicator can be absorbed. I mean, all these sellers can be absorbed by the buyers, as you can see, right? So we can see here like bearish signals, but it's still going higher but very slow. So the sellers are getting absorbed because of course there is a pressure of selling and the movement is gonna be very slow. So these are the things that's going on there. So we are looking for a wave 4 still, and then 5, and then start our 3 waves towards the downside for a wave 2. I hope that you like these updates. I hope that you find it more helpful now to read this range and what is going on in Bitcoin. And if you did like it, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for the channel to support this channel and continue providing you with update videos for Bitcoin and many other currencies. Thank you for watching. Have a nice eve and see you tomorrow in a new analysis. Bye bye.